Hello, welcome to 7th class social study lesson 3rd, tanks and groundwater, part 1. Tanks are called cherolu. For the thousands of years, our ancestors have tried to utilize the runoff rainwater by building the tanks. Whatever the runoff means, whatever the rainwater is going off, that they are utilizing to build a tank. We have evidence of building the tanks for agriculture in the time of Megathanis people will be also build the tanks, and the Kakatiya kings also built the tanks in number of tanks in Telangana. And tanks are also used for the agriculture purpose in the dry region, and every village have one or two major tanks. How were the tanks built? The tanks were usually built by building a strong walls of a stone and mud across a small streams in such a way that with the wall one on just one side, the wall will be only one side, and other side they will be have a layers of water. For example, here the tank is built. Okay, it is built around one side only. The building was built. The wall was built. Tank was sometime built by the king, sometime the military leaders, sometime the Nayakas, and oftenly by the village people. And who built the tanks? They are remembered in the memories, because in the memory people will remember them for many years in the form of stories. They will write in the form of the stories, temple, festival. They will be remember the people who built the tanks. Tanks while building the tanks, everyone in the village are contributed for the expensive and labor. Everyone in the village are part of the tank building. People also maintain the tanks and repair the tank burns and remove the slide from the tank's bed. And they also ensure that no one can stop the water flowing into the tanks. They also appointed a person to regulate the use of water from the tanks. This person is called Nirati or Nirukatta Manchi. How did the tanks help? Tanks helps people not only for the drinking water for human beings and animals, but also irrigating the fields in the time of drought. And when there is no rain at that time, also it will be helpful to the growing the crops. And also it will be increase the water level. It will increase the water level in the wells. And in the non-rainy season also, tanks are used for growing the crops. And the slide, the soil inside the tank is useful for growing the crops. And most important thing is that it will be prevent the runoff water of the rainwater. It will always prevent the runoff of rainwater, which is wastely going rainwater into the sea. That will be prevented by the tanks. That's why. And one more important thing is that our tank is not belonging to any one person. It will be belonging to whole village, and everyone in the village will be benefited by the tanks. Why the decline of the tanks in our time? Why nowadays tanks are not able to see? Because during the last 20 to 30 years, what happened? People are beginning to neglect the tanks. They are not repairing the tanks. They are not removing the slides from the tanks. And some people are using the land for agriculture or house making purposes. That's why in many states nowadays the tanks are dry away and they were uncared. And many people, what they are using, they are digging the deep bore wells by spending a lots of money and digging the deep bore wells. For that they are wasting their money. Mission Kakatiya was started by our Telangana government in a minor irrigation tank in the state. Our village, our tank. This program name is Mana Uru Mana Cheru. Mission Kakatiya was and aim to remove the slide from the tank bed, repair and construct of the tank beds on above 47,000 tanks. In this mission, they are repair and constructed new tanks. More than 47,000 tanks are done. Now fishing in the tanks. Tanks not only they provide the drinking water or irrigation purposes, it is also provide the livelihood for the fisher folks. Fisher folks means fishermen who are baby, because some people have the traditionally fishing communities like Besta community, which is known as a Gangaputra, and Gondalu and Mudraj community, which are belonging to the fishing communities, and they will be do the fishing in the rivers and tanks. So here in this lesson we are seeing the example of Suryapeta district of Telangana. Bethavulu village is the village which is 16 km away from the Suryapeta. According to the elders, our elders are saying that Bethavulu got its name by a Bethel Reddy. Bethel Reddy is a person who is the subordinate of Kakatiya. Subordinate means who is the one of the family member of Kakatiyas. He got the tank built in the name of his wife. Is the name of his wife. He built a tank which is called a Verala Devi. Thus the village called the large tank as a Verala Devi tank or Ella Devi tank. In the village they have the big tank which is known as the Verala Devi tank. The tank irrigated more than 900 acres area today, but originally in those days it will be irrigated more than 3000 acres area. The Anekattu is the command area of the tank has reduced now because of illegal encroachment on the tank bed due to the sliding. On the tank bund is situated the Kattamaisama. You can see many tanks name as a given as a Kattamaisama, Gangamma. These names are given to the tank bunds or tanks, who are considered as a gradually deities of the tanks. Deities means god of the tanks. Fisher folk and other village worship to the god of water, tanks. Okay, and they will be celebrate the annual festival also. There are more 600 family of the Besta and Mudraj community is belonging in this village. From the Bestarur village is belonging on fishing. But nowadays many people are not doing fishing. So only 60 to 70 households are only leading the living life by fishing. And fishing only done in the month of March and April. During the rest of the year they work as a small farmer or a laborers. Fishing in the tanks. Fishing in the tanks are, there are the different types of fishes are available in these tanks, and were easily available in the streams and small rivers and canals. Many fishes are available in the streams, rivers and canals. When this water flows into the tanks of the fisher breed in them. During the recent time the fishing are disappeared due to the heavy usage of pesticides. Nowadays what happened, people are using pesticides and chemicals for doing in the tanks and in the agriculture field. That's why what happened, the breeds means newborn of fishing, young one is not able to born. That's why what they have to do, they have to do like a farming. They are keeping a separate tank for fishing only, and they are giving to seedling to them in the tank, and they are growing the big one in the tank and sell them in the villages. The important among are the Marina, Ravva, Bochela, Kattala, Bangartiga are the fishes which are very important. These fishes are mainly available in the market nowadays. Now we will see the net type. The fishermen used of a different kinds to catch the fish. Net they will be used in different kinds. There would be a 30 kannulu. Kannulu means hole in a small parsa, small net, where 60 kannulu in a big net. These nets are also called as Sannapu, Sannapu Vala, Doddu Vala. Okay, this one is called Sannavala and Doddu Vala in some area. The net contain the beads made up with the iron and leads. The Sannavala weight is less, and they catch the fishes and palms by the Sannavala. And Doddu Vala is used to catch the big fishes who are more than 100 grams to 55 kgs. The Doddu Vala will be. And fisher folk use it two methods to catch the fishes. One is shallow water, one is deep water. Shallow water means less having the water, and one is the deep water. Visru Vala is used for the less water, and Kanchu Vala is used for the more water. Fishermen go further in the stable water and spread the Kachu Vala from in the occasion of water where the deep having. Fishing. Fishermen started the fishing in the early morning. Visruvala is used in the bank of the river where the water is not deep. And people will be go inside with the ferry, with the boat, with the thermocol, and reach it to the place where the deep water having, they will be use the kanchuvala, big wala. Fishing is done in the 2 times daily. One is from morning 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock and afternoon 1 to 4 o'clock. After that, and fishing will be do all the season. People will be like to go in any type of a condition in the like cold, rain or heat, any condition fishermen go and do the fishing. The fish left after sailing, they will be washed up neatly and dry them in the sun, and they will be sell the fish. When the catches is small, they will be take to the nearby the village like the Suryapeta village, and they will be sell it. When the catches are big, they will be go to cities like Hyderabad. And mostly the men will be do the fishing and the women will sell in the market. Cooperative society of fishing. Cooperative society is fishing. Whoever the cooperative society member of the fishing, they have the membership, and every membership is decided on the basis of akka. The basis of akka. Usually society take place 1 member per 1 hectare, means 2.5 acres, and 339 members in a society today. The society pay rupees 2,35,000 to the Department of Fishing for the fishing in the tanks. The society has purchased fishing seeds and into the tanks. They will be purchased fishing seeds and sell into the dam and produce it, and unequally will be given to the fishermen. But recent year what happened? People are not doing the fishing in the tanks. The tanks are not available. So what happened? The fishermen also become too poor and need loan for running their household. Nowadays fishermen are become too poor and they did not have the money to do the business. So they are depending on the loans. But what happened? The government is not providing them loan. They are depending on the traders. The traders will give them the loan also, and they will give them the tanks to put the seedling. In return, the fishermen have to sell their product to trader only with a fixed price, which is more than 10 to 20% less than in the market price. That's why the profit is going to the trader, not to the fishermen. If the bank could not give the loan to the cooperative society, the fisherman could become the trader contract. If bank is providing them loan, then the fisherman did not have to depend on the trader. They will be free from the trader contractors. Thank you.